Settle in, take a slow breath, and let your shoulders drop. This moment is just for you. No rushing, no scrolling, just you, your skin, and a little bit of care. Close your eyes for just a second, and when you open them, we begin. Your skin has been working hard all day long. It quietly collects what the world leaves behind. Oil, dust, dead cells, the invisible residue of everything you've touched and everywhere you've been. And sometimes, deep inside those tiny pores, that buildup settles in, hardens, and becomes something you can feel, even if you can't always see it. Blackheads, congestion, that rough, uneven texture that makes your skin feel heavy. It's not a flaw. It's not something to be ashamed of. It's simply your skin asking to be listened to. And tonight, we listen. We start with clean hands. Wash them slowly under warm water. Feel the temperature rise between your fingers. Dry them with a soft towel. No rushing. Just a gentle press and fold. Now reach for your gentle cleansing gel. Something mild. Something that respects what it touches. Pump a small amount into your palm. Just enough to coat your fingertips. Watch how it sits there. Cool, translucent, almost weightless. Bring your hands together and rub slowly. Feel it begin to emulsify between your palms, warming with the heat of your skin. Now, bring it to your face. Start at the center of your forehead. Small, slow circles. Listen to the soft, almost silent glide of your fingertips against your skin. No pressure, just presence. Move to your temples, outward and up. Then down along the sides of your nose. This area holds so much. Take your time here. Use the pad of your ring finger. It's your gentlest finger. And let it trace the curve of your nose in tiny, patient circles. Across your chin, your jaw, the soft hollows beneath your cheekbones. No friction. Just a quiet, slow glide. Add a splash of water at the sink. Not cold, not hot. Just warm enough to feel like a sigh. Rinse your face slowly, cupping water in your palms and letting it fall over your skin like rainfall. Once, twice, 3 times. Until every trace of cleanser is gone. Pat dry. Not rub. Pat. Soft press of cotton against your skin. Once. Again. The sound of it, soft, quiet, gentle. Like a whisper. Now we soften. Take a clean cloth or a thick cotton pad and run it under hot water, not scalding. Warm and steaming. The kind of warmth that makes you exhale without thinking. Wring it out gently and place it against your face. Let it rest there. Breathe in the warmth. Feel your pores begin to open, like flowers in the morning. The steam rises slowly around you. Let it. Count 10 slow breaths. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Let every exhale carry away something you've been holding onto. After the last breath, remove the cloth. Your skin is now receptive, soft, ready. Now we treat. Reach for your salicylic acid serum or toner. 2% is enough. This is a beta-hydroxy acid, and what makes it extraordinary is this. It's oil-soluble. While most exfoliants work only on the surface, salicylic acid travels deeper. It moves down into the pore itself, breaking down the hardened sebum and dead skin cells that have been camping there for weeks. It works quietly, slowly, without drama. Apply it now with a cotton pad or with clean fingertips. Start at the nose, press gently against each side. Hold for just a moment, then glide outward across the chin, the forehead, along the jaw. You may feel a very slight tingle. That's it working. That's the acid gently dissolving what doesn't belong there. Leave it, don't rinse. Let your skin absorb it in silence for 3 to 5 minutes. During that time, just breathe. If you're using a clay mask and for deeper congestion, you should, now is the moment. Scoop a small amount. Kaolin clay is perfect here. It draws impurities toward the surface like a magnet. Slowly, steadily, without stripping your skin of everything it needs, apply it across your T-zone with a brush or clean fingertips. A thin, even layer. You'll feel it cool the moment it touches your skin. That instant drop in temperature, that quiet chill, sit with it. It dries slowly. Let it. Watch in the mirror as it shifts from shiny to matte, from soft to firm, from living to lifting. Leave it on for 10 minutes. No more. Rinse with warm water. Again, cupped in your palms. and feel the clay loosen and release. Softly, completely. Pat dry again. That familiar soft press. Now look at your skin. Look at the texture. It's smoother already. The congestion that was sitting at the surface, loosened, lifted. The pores around your nose, your chin, they're cleaner. Visibly cleaner. This is the moment. If there are any remaining blackheads that have been softened by the steam, the acid, the clay, and only if they come willingly, you may gently address them now. Take 2 clean cotton swabs, or wrap your fingertips loosely in tissue. Position them on either side of the pore. Not pressing down, but pressing slightly inward and upward, like you're asking the skin to release rather than forcing it to. Gentle, slow, no force. If it comes, and it should after all of this preparation, it comes quietly. A tiny, satisfying release, almost effortless. That's what this entire process was building toward. Not force, not aggression, just patience. This is a gentle method. Never force an extraction. If it doesn't move easily, leave it. Another session, more preparation, and it will come. Tap, tap, tap. A light touch on the surrounding skin to soothe. Now we calm. Your skin has just been through something. Even gentle care is still work for your skin. So now we thank it. Take your hydrating toner, something with niacinamide if you have it. Niacinamide is quietly brilliant. It reduces the appearance of pores over time, regulates oil production, and soothes any redness that may have appeared. Pour a few drops onto your palms. Press them together softly. Then press your palms against your face. Not wiping, just resting. Hold them there for a breath. Then tap, 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 from your cheeks to your forehead. Tap, tap, tap. Your chin, your nose, the sides of your face. That soft, rhythmic sound, your fingertips against your skin, is one of the most calming things in the world. Let yourself feel it. Next, your serum, something hydrating. Hyaluronic acid if you have it. It draws moisture into the skin like a sponge, plumping the surface, making everything feel smoother, fuller, more alive. A few drops, pressed between your palms, and then gently pressed onto your skin. Feel how the serum sinks in. That quiet absorption, your skin pulling it inward, drinking it down. Hold your palms against your face one more time. Stay there. Be still. The last step. Your moisturizer. Something gentle and barrier supporting. Something that feels like a second skin. Scoop a small amount, warm it between your fingers, and smooth it across your face in long upward strokes. From the jaw up to the cheeks. From the nose outward, from the center of the forehead, sweeping to the sides. Slow, smooth, effortless. Feel the surface of your skin change beneath your hands. Soft, calm, sealed. If it's morning, add your SPF, a thin, even layer, your final shield. If it's evening, let your skin rest now. It's done its work. You've done yours. Look at yourself. Your skin is clear. Calmer than when you started. The congestion that was sitting at the surface. It's gone or going. The texture is smoother. The pores are smaller. The heaviness that was there before, lifted. And more than that, you were patient tonight. You were gentle. You showed up for yourself in a quiet, deliberate way. And your skin felt that. That matters more than any product, more than any technique. This is the ritual, not a chore, not a correction. A conversation between you and your skin. Come back to it, and if this felt like the kind of quiet you've been needing, leave a comment below, tell me what you want to explore next, and subscribe so the next session is waiting for you whenever you need it. Until then, rest well. Your skin is calm, you are calm.